AZ Optical Dissolved Oxygen Meter. My sample volume is small and DO value is low. Can I still test it without consuming more oxygen? CO2, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia constantly affect my electrochemistry DO sensor. How to improve? Is it feasible to bypass waiting for polarization, continuously stir the probe, and probe maintenance work? AZ Optical Dissolved Oxygen Meter is your optimal choice. AZ Optical Dissolved Oxygen Meter can solve all the issues that traditional electrochemistry DO sensor cannot do. High-performance optical fluorescence DO electrode to measure dissolved oxygen and temperature all at once. Not required to do calibration before use, and no need to replace membrane set or refill electrolyte regularly. Suitable for aquaculture, wastewater quality monitoring, biotechnology, and beverage applications. 99 points manual recording function with data recall feature. Automatic statistics for a user-defined period. Big and clear display. IP67 waterproof meter body for hygienic washing. Manual barometric and salinity compensation, suitable for any location. Switchable measurement units. Easy transportation design by using regular AAA batteries. AZ Optical DO meter is accurate and easy to use, showing no concerns with low flow, maintenance, or the presence of acid gas. More than 10 different models of dissolved oxygen meter are available. AZ Taiwan Measure, your optimal choice.